Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make the basmati rice. We will make it with best and easy way, and it will be soft. So let's see how we will make it and what we will need. To make it we will need 2 cups of basmati rice, a half cup of noodles, and 3 cups of broth. You can use chicken broth or meat broth, any one you wanted. So let's see how we will make the basmati rice. Here I add vegetable oil and butter. You can also add obesity if you want, anything from these 3. Now we will add the noodles and we'll be stirring it always. We will not remove our hand from it till it get like gold color or yellow. So when we will stir it always, it will not get burned. Till here we are continued in stirring the noodles, and we will complete also stirring it till we get the gold color. Here we get the gold color noodles. Now we will add the rice and stir it very well till it take all the fatty substance. Here the camera stops when I was adding the rice and stirring it with the noodles, but no problem, I'm telling you, we will add the rice and we will stir it till it take all the fatty substance. Now I'm going to add the broth, any broth you will use it, into the rice and stir it very well and leave it to boil. Here after 5 minutes the rice is still boiling. I will leave it, I will cover it with the cover of the plate, and I will leave it to boil like 15 minutes till it take or drink all the broth and get done or get ready to eat, and I will come back. Here I finished the rice. As you can see that the rice is soft and also not sticking together. Now I will put it in a plate and I will come. Here we finish. As you can see, the rice is soft, also it's not sticking as I said, and I hope you try it because it's really tasty. You can do it in the lunch. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, write your comment, share, and bye. See you in the next video.